Hey, it's your go-to tech guide here, and today we're diving into a crucial topic that affects not just tech enthusiasts, but anyone who uses a phone or a computer. Yes, you guessed it, we're talking about social engineering scams. Social engineering is not your typical hacking. It doesn't necessarily involve breaking through digital barriers using code or software. Instead, it targets the most unpredictable element of any security system: us, the humans. Let's break it down. Social engineering scams are all about manipulation. They play on basic human instincts, like trust, curiosity, and the urge to help others. It's all about tricking people into giving away confidential information or access to their devices. And the scary part? These attacks often look and sound legitimate. Now, how can you spot these scams? First, always check the source. If you receive an unexpected call, email, or message asking for sensitive information or to perform a specific action, take a moment. Verify who's on the other end. Don't just take their word for it, even if they claim to be from a reputable company or organization. Be extra wary of any communication that instills a sense of urgency or fear. Phrases like "immediate action required" or "your account will be closed" are huge red flags. These tactics are designed to rush you into making a decision without thinking it through. And let's talk about those too good to be true offers. A free trip to the Bahamas, a massive discount on the latest phone. Yeah, think twice. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Always approach such offers with a healthy dose of skepticism. Lastly, keep your personal information personal. Social engineers often gather bits of information from various sources to build a believable story or scenario that could fool even the wary. The less you share online, the less ammo you give to potential scammers. Remember, knowledge is your best defense. By understanding the tactics used by these cyber tricksters and maintaining a vigilant approach, you can protect yourself and your organization from the pitfalls of social engineering scams. Stay safe out there. That's all for today. Make sure to stay tuned for more insights on keeping your digital life secure. Thanks for watching.